First, I'd like to explain the gap instinct. Let's go back to the first question in part 1. Today, it is said that 60% of girls in low-income countries finish primary school. On average, only 7% of people answered this question correctly. Most people say the percentage is lower, which shows that life in low-income countries is thought to be much worse than it actually is. Is the distinction between developed and developing countries valid? There was indeed a gap in the past. In Figure 1, which shows data from 1965, there are two big groups of countries: developing countries with big families and high mortality rates, and developed countries with small families and low mortality rates. Now, take a look at Figure 2, which shows data from 2017. As you can see, there is no clear-cut gap, but a gradual change instead. This means that the traditional distinction between developed and developing countries is no longer an accurate way of understanding the world today. Why are we inclined to divide the world into two parts? Roslin explains, human beings have a strong instinct toward binary thinking. Dividing the world into two distinct halves is simple and intuitive, and also dramatic, because it implies conflict. With this in mind, we can see that a two-part division does not always reflect reality.